George will start working with me starting on November 1st.
Boom! You see how Easton University is a community? We get together. I told my wife about that, Phil. I was like, man, there's this guy, Phil. He's been on Easton University for 2 years. The guy knows his stuff. He's a complete baller. He's super great. George has been on Easton University for about 2 weeks, 2.5 months, and George had the guts. I'm like, I'm so proud of this guy. He had the guts to say, hey, guys, I'm on Team EU, right? I'm on Easton University. I'm looking for employment. And I said, and Phil had the smarts to go reach out to him. And my wife was like, I can see why that Phil is successful. She's like, do you know, Matt, how hard it is to find employees that are so motivated that they pay for their own training? They don't exist, right? She's like, this George guy is a unicorn. Everybody should be fighting over hiring him. So good for you, Phil. George, I don't know if George is on. I'm glad the two of you guys got connected. Big things are going to happen. So I'm super happy for both of you. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.